Healthy snacks for weight loss. We'll explore the benefits of healthy snacking and introduce you to some tasty options that won't derail your weight loss journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Did you know that healthy snacking can be an integral part of your weight loss plan? When done right, it can curb hunger, boost metabolism, and help maintain blood sugar levels, preventing overeating during meals. Let's start with fruits. Nature's candy, fruits are packed with fiber, water, and various beneficial compounds. They provide the sweetness you're craving without the added sugars and empty calories. Nuts are another excellent choice. They're high in protein and healthy fats, helping to keep you feeling satisfied. However, remember that they're also high in calories, so portion control is key. Greek yogurt is your protein powerhouse. It's also high in calcium and probiotics that aid digestion. Try it with a handful of berries for a refreshing and filling snack. For the chocolate lovers, dark chocolate is your friend. It's rich in fiber, iron, and antioxidants. But since it's also calorie-dense, remember to limit your portions. Don't forget about vegetables. They're low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Pair your veggies with hummus or a yogurt-based dip for a satisfying snack. Hard-boiled eggs are a great portable option. They're rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They can help you feel full and keep your metabolism fired up. Popcorn can be a healthy snack if you ditch the butter and salt. It's a whole grain, packed with fiber. Just make sure to choose air-popped popcorn to keep the calories in check. If you're on the go, protein bars can be a convenient option. But be sure to read the label. Opt for bars that are low in sugar, high in protein, and made from real food. Cheese is a delicious source of calcium, fat, and protein. Pairing it with an apple provides a balanced mix of nutrients and can keep you satisfied until your next meal. Smoothies can also make for a great snack. They're a great way to pack a lot of nutrition into a single drink. Just be wary of added sugars and keep your portion sizes in check. Edamame is a great choice if you're craving something savory. These young soybeans are rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They can help to satisfy your hunger without adding too many calories. Tuna is a lean protein that can help you feel full and support muscle growth. Mix it with a little bit of Greek yogurt and some spices for a protein-packed snack. The key to healthy snacking for weight loss is balance and moderation. Remember to listen to your body, eat when you're genuinely hungry, and choose nourishing foods that provide you with energy and nutrients. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.